Good morning, madam. My name is Pragati Bhumanawar. We are studying in first standard.
My name is Ravni Kamanna. We are studying with my grandma.
My topic name is animals. These are Arctic animals. They live in Arctic region. Example: snow bear, penguin. Aquatic animals. These are aquatic animals. They live in water. Example: starfish, octopus. Forest animals. These are forest animals. They live in forest. Example: lion, tiger, bear. Desert animals. These are desert animals. They live in desert. Example: camel, eagle. Thank you.